Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am Gyaneshwari Agrawal and I am conducting a series of interviews with the topmost corporate leaders of the leading company around the globe. For today's interview, we have Mr. Vilas Pujari with us. He is the Chief Information Officer at ACG Worldwide. He is also an IT professional with more than 30 years of experience in manufacturing domain. So let's get ahead and learn from his experience. Hello, sir. I'm Gyaneshwari Agrawal from Startup Lanes, and we are really very honored to have you on board with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, I would like to request you to please introduce yourself to the viewers.
Yeah, my name is Vilas Pujari. I work as a global CIO with ACG, Associated Capsules Group. I've been working with this company since the last 15 years, and prior to that, I have worked in Gujarat Ambuja Cements, Hindustan Development Corporation, Tata International, and I'm an engineer and MBA, and I have been one of the founding member of the CIO club, which is the K Club, which is having boasting 1,400 members and have footprint across India. And I have been experienced in, I have a lot of experience in implementing the ERPs and CRMs and many such applications, and work very closely with the manufacturing, production, supply chain teams to realize the business value from investments, IT investments.
So, sir, my very first question to you is, what inspired you to join this company?
Okay, see, the very interesting question. This company, when I joined, was a small company. I would say, by the standards of the companies where I worked earlier, like Tata International, Grasim, and all those companies. I had an interview with the director, the owner of this organization, called Mr. Karan Singh. So he was around 26, 28, I don't know. So it was very interesting interview. Actually, it was more of a discussion, and his vision of IT, which he shared with me during that interview. The almost in an hour plus interview, more than 40 minutes he was talking and sharing his vision for IT for ACG. That actually inspired me to join this company, because I knew he exactly knows what to do in the organization. He understands the business. He is driving the business in the right direction. More interestingly, he understood technology as a big enabler for ACG, and that's what made me join actually. And I'm not repenting at all anytime.
So, sir, what is like your life mantra?
The life mantra is do your best and leave it to God. Go to rest at the end of the day peacefully, and you'll have a nice sleep, and next day morning you get up with the same energy. So it's more of a do your best.
So as you said, you have a really long experience. So what was the most challenging part of your journey so far?
Yeah, I think I have about 32 plus years of experience, and it would be very difficult to narrate one or two instances of the challenging situations that I may have had. But surely there have been very challenging situations. The challenging situations initially they were more on the getting the IT investments approvals from the management in the earlier companies where I have worked. In ACG specifically, and also in Tata International in the latter part of my career, I had the challenges in ensuring the user participation. At least in ACG, in the initial stages, I did have the participation. The challenging situations were also taking the investments from a 0 level or a 10 level to 100, and yet the management do not feel the pinch of it, and they continuously realize the value of those investments. And to make that, those are the challenging situations. In terms of managing the core IT or operations of IT or getting the business value from the investments has never been a challenge for me, because I work very closely with the business, and that job becomes easier for me.
So what is that one habit that makes you more productive?
If you look at from a personal habit or the way we work is, I'm highly dedicated to my job. I'm putting 120% to my job, and that's what makes me successful, I feel.
So if you get a chance to start your career again, so what would you do differently this time?
See, I found one interesting thing about me was that I happen to be fairly well qualified in terms of I did an engineering and did my management from B school. So probably I would start with a better education. So that is one thing that I would definitely try to do. Maybe get a management degree from Harvard or such organization, institution. That is one thing. Second thing is that I have worked in 4 companies in my last 32 years career. Probably I would have changed more number of jobs. Maybe that would have given me more experience and also hasten my growth. That is the second thing that I would definitely do the best. That is from the personal point of view. Third, and organization from point of view, if I have to start and do the job, this career again, then definitely I would be more collaborative and I would be more people oriented than I am today. And from the social engagement perspective, definitely I should have started my engagement and network long time back, while I did, of course, at a later part of my career.
Sir, can you share a quote that inspires you the most?
Can I give a Hindi quote? That has been the most inspiring one for me. This is from a picture called Bulandi, where Rajkumar gives this dialogue. Actually, it's a share diary, one dialogue, whatever we call. खुद ही को कर लो बुलंद इतना कि खुदा खुद बंदे से पूछे बोल तेरी रजा क्या है. And I think that goes more to make ourselves capable and not to request God, but let God give me what I deserve based on my capabilities, my willingness, my hard work, and whatever I can do.
Sir, my next question is, what makes you excited about Mondays?
Yeah, see, actually, of course, since we are working from home, it is very difficult to distinguish between a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Saturday. Okay, but while I was going to office, when we were in the office, every day used to be a Monday for me. And Mondays were more better because we used to have these 5 days week. So 2 days of rejuvenation, energizing, and gym and all that will give me. But definitely, I would look at every day as a new day, and every day is a lot of day of lot of opportunities for us.
So, according to you, how much self-worth and happiness important in a job?
I think it is very, very important. And I have never, I have never had, unfortunately for me, situations. In fact, I would say that I had lesser number of situations where I had to really question whether I should be in this job, I should be with this organization or something. Luckily for me, I have got my self-worth always. And I have worked in Tatas where the individuals are treated with a lot of respect, and and also in ACG, every associate, we call employees as associates, every associate is treated very fairly and with a lot of respect. In fact, I'll give you 2 instances where earlier my MD of Tata International and also the chairman of this company, when they called me up one of the day, I remember, they used to ask me, can I talk to you now? Are you driving, or are you busy? Something like that. So it gives me very good feeling. And I think self-worth is very, very important. And anytime we have to compromise on the self-worth for earning or for job, that is, we don't deserve that. Definitely we deserve much better.
So as you said, you have lots of experience. So can you describe some challenging leadership situation and how you manage people through them?
Okay, see, the first challenging situation came to me in the early stages of my career, when I used to have only 2 people reporting to me, and due to one of small mistake, we actually lost a fair amount of data. And that was one situation where it was very awkward for me. And in recent days, there was one situation, I cannot elaborate more on that, but surely that was a situation where it has hit us like very hard, and with lot of courage, lot of patience, and lot of peace of cool mind, I was able to manage the team, manage the leadership, and also manage the situation in a way we could come out with flying colors. Looking at that experience, I have 2-3 things to talk about. One is, whatever may be the situation, you can overcome. So don't lose heart, don't lose confidence. we will be able to work around that situation if you have confidence.
So, what was the most happiest, saddest, and the most inspirational moment of your life or your career?
See, happiest moment, if I have to talk about, probably, in anybody's career, like it also happens to me, is when you get the promotions, and when you get the most coveted promotion, would have been the most, happiest situation. I think I have had such good amount of such, and especially the last one when we had the promotion was probably the most, most deserving one, and I really enjoyed that, and it was really a satisfying situation. Coming to the saddest one, as I told you, if for any reason, if for anything, the organization loses data, would be the saddest situation in anybody's life, specifically as a CIO. That's what I can say. And other than that, any of the situations can be managed and we can overcome those.
Many people look up to you. So, what would be your advice to them to become like you?
See, I don't think, I should give any advice to become like me. Okay. But what I can definitely give them the advice in terms of becoming successful and being the best. I can talk about that. See, there are 3-4 things that one has to look at, specifically and when you work in as an organization. Don't look that you are working for somebody. You are working for yourself. At the end of the day, you are working for yourself. That is one thing that we must remember. I'm not running my organization. I'm working for another organization, but I'm not working for someone. I'm working for myself. So there is no boss. I am my boss because I want to do it. That's why I'm doing it. So that is the first thing that one has to remember. Second thing is that be transparent. If you have messed up with anything, if you are sleeping with it, definitely you are going to have a lot of tension, and you are going to be creating more danger, more problem for the organization also. So if there is any problem, just be open, transparent, and share with anybody who is going to be impacted or who may be interested in that. Good news you may not share, but bad news you must share. Be transparent with the organization, share with the people. Third thing is that while self-respect, self-worth we talked about, don't let ego come in between your performance, your work, your collaboration, etc. The fourth thing that I can talk about is take care of your team. They are the ones who actually make you. If your team is not working, then you are nothing. If your team is working, you have a motivated team, if they are high-performing team, you are performing definitely well. And the last thing is that at the end of the day, be loyal to the organization. They are giving you bread and butter. They are giving you your meaningful and meaning to your life. Be truthful to the organization.
So, sir, how can a job seeker get a job in your company?
Yeah, so, ACG has a omni-channel situation where people can apply for jobs. A lot of our leadership team are open, available on LinkedIn, and we have many of the followers, many of the connects. And I think this is one forum which we could use for looking for opportunities in the organization. ACG World website is also quite popular and quite well accessed. We have good amount of traffic there, and they also are that also as a channel can be used to look for opportunities. And we have some 3,000 odd office associates, and you may be in touch with directly with any of these people in the organization. You can approach them. We have a referral scheme, we have bring a buddy scheme and all. So that is another way of approaching. But at the same time, I would say that ECG is an organization to work for. It is a great place to work. Talented people are well nurtured and well taken care of in the organization. The good people, talented people are most welcome to ECG.
So how can startups offer their products and services to your company?
Very much. You see, we are very interested to look at the products from startups, specifically in the area of one, technology, and second, in the area of the business that we work with, the healthcare industry, the pharmacy, etc., pharmaceutical products, etc. I'm not talking about the age of the leadership. We are very young leadership. in terms of the mind and approach. We approach our business, our area, whether it is IT, whether it is supply chain, whether it is manufacturing, anything, as an entrepreneur. So we are interested, we are open to experiment with the products and the services of startups, and we'll be happy to work with the startups to see. And also, as an owner of the organization, our own MD, they also make the interest in investments in the startups, and we'll be very happy to invite startups to work with us to try out their products. And of course, at the end of the day, it will work out cost effective for me as well.
So sir, is there anyone you would like to thank you for supporting you in your career?
Of course, the career in anybody is not without any guides and any mentors or anybody. The first person that I would look at to thank is the one who got me into IT. I started off as an industrial engineer, and the one who got me into IT was the head of the manufacturing in Gujarat Ambuja. He told me one thing: this is a field to be in, and IT investments, IT automation that we do are irrevocable path. So if you get into this field, you will never repent. And that is one person that I will thank. Of course, the leadership that I have worked with are many people are there. And one person who was little at a personal level and also at an official level, I can name him, is Mr. Desai in our ACG, who was very helpful. And of course, there are good friends who really helped me in my career.
So sir, what is your feedback on Startup Lanes?
See, my interaction with Startup Lanes so far has been really encouraging. You are working more as an ecosystem who is supporting and who are trying to bring in all the connected and all the stakeholders, all the interested parties together. Now we need to only thing that I see is that you may probably have to expedite and accelerate your activity, because there is a lot of opportunity in the marketplace and a lot of startups are looking for support from organizations like you. So I may only add what you are doing is right, but do it little fast.
So sir, nextly you have to answer the questions in a line. Share your original quote.
Be the best.
Sir, one tip to success.
Dedicate yourself to whatever you are doing fully.
Sir, what is that one mistake that every individual must avoid?
Do work-life balance. Don't only focus on job.
So one most important lesson you have learned so far?
Data is God, and my responsibility to protect data.
Sir, tell me some apps that you can't live without.
WhatsApp.
And my last question is key for the workplace.
Be accommodative.
So lastly, I would like to thank you for your great words and for your valuable time. It was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.